Welcome to this quick guide on checking upcoming birthdays on Facebook, updated to reflect the latest app layout. If you've ever missed a friend's birthday, this will help you stay in the loop without extra taps or confusion. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to check and you're connected to the internet. Once you're inside, look to the top of the screen for the menu. You'll see 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Tap that icon to open the side menu with all your options. Now that the menu is open, you'll want to scroll down a bit to find the birthday section. It's usually labeled simply as birthdays, and you'll see a list of friends who have birthdays today or coming up in the near future. Tap birthdays to enter the dedicated birthday feed. This page gathers upcoming birthdays in one place, making it easy to plan a message or a quick post. Inside the birthdays view, you'll notice a few helpful details. Each entry shows the friend's name and their birth date or age, along with a reminder if you've already wished them well. Some profiles may show a small profile picture next to the name, which helps you recognize friends you haven't connected with recently. If you like, you can tap any name to view their profile and leave a personal birthday message right on their timeline or via a direct message. If you don't see a birthdays option right away, don't worry. Facebook sometimes adjusts where features live within the menu. In that case, you can use the search bar at the top of the app and type birthdays to pull up the same section quickly. You'll still get the upcoming birthdays in one place, ready for you to scroll through and engage with. A few quick tips to maximize this feature. Enable notifications for birthdays so you get a reminder in advance. Consider scheduling a batch of birthday messages if you're part of a large network. And remember to check back often as the list updates with new birthdays over time. This makes it easier to stay thoughtful and participate in celebrations without feeling overwhelmed. That's all there is to it. A few taps and you're always in the loop about friends' birthdays, helping you stay connected in a timely and meaningful way.